So this is my hair after a wash. You can see it. You can see the shrinkage. Now it's looking like, whoa, is this the hair that I saw that was looking so long now? So that's what shrinkage is all about. So once you wash your hair, definitely your hair will go in. Once water touches it, to go back, to go in a bit and all that. So thank you for watching. Let me go back now to start doing the necessary things. As I finish washing my hair now, I'm going to be massaging my scalp with the growth oil, herbal herb growth oil. You know, I have a lot of products. I have the herbal herb growth oil, I have 3G. It all depends on preference. So right now I'm going to massage my scalp with the oil, and then when I'm done, I'm going to also apply some of the oil to my strands. And once I'm done, I will apply my leave-in conditioner, and then once I'm done, I will also use my aba butter to I can use, you can use a butter mix, you can use any one. So since I have lots of these products, I have to, to be using them too, like I said. So I just use any one that I use any one for a long time. Of course, not that I will use a butter today, butter mix today, then I will use this one tomorrow. No, I just use them like that. For now, like for instance, now I used my activated charcoal shampoo. Is anti-dandruff. It helps to prevent dandruff anyway, and it also helps to treat, it may help those people that have a dandruff to reduce the issue of the dandruff and all that. So I use it also. I've been using it for a long time now because I like it. I use it to wash my hair. You can see my hair feels nice. It's not feeling what do you call it? It's not feeling spongy. It feels soft for a natural hair compared to when I started. One of these days I'm going to be doing a video of my experience when I started. If I tell you that since I started making my hair, I transitioned. I didn't have the courage to cut my hair. So from 2015, throughout 2015, I was on relaxed hair. In fact, I didn't even have any knowledge, and I didn't have the courage to even trim the relaxed hands. So I was just managing the hair, and that led me into what I'm into right now, doing products, because I started making my product by myself, using them on my hair, because all the ones I was buying, I realized that they weren't working for me, or probably I didn't have patience enough to use them and see them work. I was expecting to use them right now and see it right now, see it like right now my hair is already soft. It's not like that. I didn't understand that I needed to continue to use them for a while, at least maybe for the next 2 weeks, you see improvements and all that. But anyway, my hair was both relaxed hair and virgin, that's the natural hair. So I went through a lot of stress. Combing my hair was a war, was tug of war, that is, as in war with my own hair, that kind of a thing. So it wasn't easy for me. So but at the end of the day, it led me into what I am doing right now. So I'm going to do a video of it, maybe to use it to encourage some of us. So this is my hair right now. I'm going to go ahead now to take care of it and then do it into my protective style. For since that 2015, my hair became natural completely in 2016 after 1 year. And since then, since that 2015, I've never been to a salon. Not that not everybody can do it anyway, but if you can't take care of your hair by yourself, just like I've been doing, and I'm enjoying it, though it takes a lot of time. But once you can do your protective style, you wash your hair in your protective style, that's like maybe you did a twist, it's easy for you to take care of your hair without stress. So this is it. This is almost looking like, oh, a wash and go, but I've not added anything. I don't know if you can see it. I've not added anything. It's just, I just use my shampoo, and that's that. So thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.